Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create the icon actual target chart in Excel. If you see, we have icons over here which are our product categories. Then in green, we have the sales achieved. And in yellow, we have the sales target. The line over here up to sales achieved is a dark solid line, whereas from the sales achieved to the sales target is a dotted line. If you make the sales achieved and the sales target the same, for example, if I put it as 1200, you see it overlaps. And suppose you have increased the sales achieved, that is, it has exceeded the target. So here you see you do not have any dotted line. The dotted line is only there when the sales is below the sales target. But in this case, we have over exceeded our sales target. There is no dotted line over here. So I hope you understood what are we going to achieve. Let's proceed to Excel and start preparing this chart. This is our data point where we have the sales of the various products, what we have achieved, and what is the sales target for them. The first step is to prepare our data preparation table. So first we have three X bars, we have a Y axis, and then we have a column called as difference. For the X1 icon, we need to put the value as 0 across. X2 is the target value, so refer your target value over here. Then we have X3, which is our achieved figure, so we refer it to the achieved figure. Our difference is the difference between the target and the achieved. So let us do that. In X-axis, we would be putting numbers starting from 1. Then we will put the next odd number, which is 3. Then we'll put 5 and 7. The reason we are putting it is because in our particular chart which we have, we want some gap between the individual product categories. So that's the reason we are putting it in odd. So the first step is you go to Insert, you go to Chart and create a scatter chart. Now select your chart, go to Select Data, add your first series, name it as X1 icon. For the X value, select this, and for the Y value, you will select this and do OK. Once again, go add. Now add the second series. For the X value, you will add the target values. And then again for the Y, you will once again add the same Y axis which we have created. Now add the third, which is your X3, which is achievement. The X values are these values, and the Y axis is the same Y axis which you had created. Now just OK. Now if you see, we have 0, 1, 2, 3 over here. We want it in the reverse order. So select your axis, format axis, and value in reverse order. If you see the axis, fix it at 0, then at 8, and our major is 1. So we have done 8 because we have Y axis up till 7. So we have taken one more extra. And the difference between these Y axes, we want it as 1. So major we have written as 1. Now you can go ahead and delete this axis. You can delete the grid lines. And you can also delete this axis over here. Next, what you need to do is you need to just move it here so that we can have some spacing over here. So I'll just move it here and a little bit down. Now what we need to do is this axis over here, which is our target axis. you will go ahead and add a error bar. You see, we have vertical and we have horizontal error bars. We don't require the vertical error bars, so we delete it. Now select the horizontal error bar, put it as minus and no cap. And for error amount, go to custom, specify value, and in the negative error value, take the difference which you have created. And you do OK. So you see we have a line connecting the achievement and the target. Select your line, go to your options and create a solid line. Give it a line as black. Give it a width of 1 and in dash type I have selected a dotted dash format over here. Now what you need to do is select your achievement marker, and what you will do is once again add error bars to it. We once again do not want the vertical, so we delete it. We select the horizontal error bar, we say minus, we say no cap, we say %, and here we say 100. So now you see we have a line from the start up till the achieved. Select your error bar. Again go to the format options. Select one. Select this. And you see you have a solid line over here. Next you go and you select these markers for target. And in marker options built in, put the size as 22 and give it a yellow color. Sorry, not for the border is no fill. For the fill, give it a yellow color. So fill we have given a solid fill as yellow color, and border for the marker we have given no line. Next you select the actual markers. Once again go to marker, built in, and give it as 10. Then in the fill for the marker, give a solid fill and give it a blue color. And for border of the marker, give a solid line and a black. So what we have done is this marker, we have increased the size and given it a yellow color, and the marker does not have a border. But for this marker, we have given a smaller size, we have given it a blue color, and we have given it a border of black. Now, the next step what you need to do is you need to add icons over here. These are certain images which I have taken from the internet. These images do not have any background, so we have removed the background transparency. So you can do that using any online tool. I have selected this, I have copied this, and I am pasting it. So the first step is copy the first image, select your first marker and paste it. Copy your second image, just select your second point and paste it. Let us do it quickly for the other two. We do not require these now, so just delete it. Next step is select your target and add the data labels. We get the value of the y-axis here. Next, go and select these data labels to format data labels, value from cells, and select your target value. Just uncheck Y value and show leader lines. And this data label, let us put it above. Just bold it, put it in a black color, and increase the font. Let's also add data label to our achieved. So select it, add data label. Once again, we get the y-axis, select it, Do format data labels, value from cells, and select the achieved. And do OK. Uncheck the Y value, uncheck the show leader lines, and put it as below. And bold it, make it black, and just increase the font. So if you see, if you look at this data, we have our sales achieved and sales target. If we make it equal, it goes here and overlaps on the yellow circle. If we increase it, it goes on the other side. You have a dashed line and you have a dotted line. The dotted line is from the sales achieved to the sales target. But if the sales achieved exceeds the sales target, there is no dotted line, which you can see here. The next step, what you need to do is you need to create a data labels. If you see in our previous chart, this is a thing which is manually created. So what you need to do is you need to select your chart, just give it some space, go and do insert an oval shape, use shift and make a circle. Then in the circle, select the same blue color, give it a solid line and give it black. So we have created our first icon. Once again, copy it. In this case, we do not have a line and the fill is this yellow color. The next step is just to add two text boxes to represent what these mean. So you go here and you write sales achieved. You can bold it. Go to shape format, say no outline. Just adjust the formatting. Let's also do it for the sales targets. So I have copied it. I am putting sales target. Just align it accordingly. And this is your legend which you have created. This is a completely dynamic chart. For example, if I put 300, your value changes. I put it exactly the same, it overlaps. And if I exceed it, it goes beyond. So this is how you create the icon chart for the actuals and targets. You have the icons for the various product categories, you have the target, and then you have the actual achieved values over here. So I hope you enjoyed creating this chart. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.